Son las 3 de la mañana en el club y sigue la mamá. Chinganida no hiquillo. Allá en el belly en los 2 pasos. Ponme bellaca y sacamos un par de pesos.
What's the word? What's the word? You already know the vibe. We outside.
Yeah, I gotta go get to a bag. I'ma go get to it fast. I know these niggas see plotting, they tryna come get the drop where I be at. But no, I can't go out like that. Guess I told my mama that we was gon' make it, yeah, fuck where we at. We not gon' be stuck at the bottom, no cap. I gotta get off my ass and chase it. I'm nothing like these niggas, they are basic. Came a long way from cleaning the pavement. $5 what I said for the payment. I was just trying to make a living. I told them I rap and they thought I was kidding. I'm sick and tired living this life that I'm living. I'm sick and tired of living the life that I'm living. I told them I rap and they thought I was kidding. I can't fuck with these niggas cause niggas be snitching. 9 times out of 10 I'm fucking they bitch ass. I want them big racks, few mil. Kinda looking for a deal, but really looking for a meal. Fuck how niggas really feel, cause niggas ain't fuck with me back then. So fuck how niggas really feel. Fuck how niggas really feel, yeah. Fuck how niggas really feel. And I'm off of them drugs. When I get up I start moving just like I'm a slug. I know why niggas been hating on me cause I'm Maserati and they know I'm a thug. I know why niggas been lying and trying me, so when I catch 'em you gon' know what's up. I know why niggas been lying and trying me, so when I catch 'em you gon' know what's up. Yeah, I'm in the let's do it, I'm making big moves. I fuck around and just fucking make the news. I just fuck around and might just make the news. Niggas, they tryna come take me out my shoes, but I can't let that happen. I stay in my motherfucking ratchet. So if I catch me a op, then I'm up in my Glock, and you know what's gon' happen. Yeah. Maserati never lagging. I stay in my motherfucking Glock in my pants and I walk with that bitch, it's a habit. So if a nigga want the static, nigga, don't cop out, you know you can have it. You know you can have it. Nigga, you know you can have it. Yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy. They roll me these shoes like a rookie. Niggas, they really be pussy. Yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy. Yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy. I'ma double the ad-lib. I've been tryna get to a bag and lately tryna get out my feelings. I'm tryna stack up my money, yeah, straight from the flow to the motherfucking ceiling. I compare myself to a banana, the way all my pockets be peeling. And I separate myself every day, cause the way niggas be out here just killing. Stay in the studio, I stay in the booth, hope you know all I do is spit flames, yeah. Stay in my own fucking lane, cause these niggas be lame and they do not be game, yeah. Promise myself that I'm never gonna change. I'm gonna put 1 BH up on the chain. Smoking some gas when I don't feel the same. Different colors, we don't smoke the same strain. Lately I've been really up in my feelings. They keep telling me get out your bag, nigga, because you was the ticket. My response was not the ticket, just different, and I'm just gifted. But don't test me, I got niggas that's ready to spin like a fidget. Nigga, play with your life, we gon' get it. Making money, I do not make friends now. Ride around with the Glock in my hand now. Niggas know I'm the shit and that's hands down. Got your bitch tryna pull her damn pants down. Brought a new stick and it sound like a band now. I be dripped off from my toe to my head now. Only 16 with a dream in the flow now. Only 16 with a dream in the flow. Lost in my head, I got nowhere to go. Battle depression, I put that on bro. Mama told me never trust by the hoe. Every day these bitches coming and go. Coming and going. Every day these bitches coming and going. Lately I've been tryna get to a bag and lately tryna get out my feelings. I'm tryna stack up my money, yeah, straight from the flow to the motherfucking ceiling. I compare myself to a banana, the way all my pockets be peeling. And I separate myself every day, cause the way niggas be out here just killing. Stay in the studio, I stay in the booth, hope you know all I do is spit flames, yeah. Stay in my own fucking lane, cause these niggas be lame and they do not be game, yeah. Promise myself that I'm never gonna change. I'm gonna put 1 BH up on the chain. Smoking some gas when I don't feel the same. Different colors, we don't smoke the same strain. 1 BH, that's the motherfucking gang. Yeah, promise my niggas I'm never gon' fucking switch lanes. Yeah, promise myself that I'm never gon' fucking switch lanes. Yeah.